From the plan, NISAR mission by ISRO and NASA likely postponed to next year. NISAR mission delay. The NISAR space mission, a collaboration between India and the United States, will not launch this year as it was not listed in ISRO's plans submitted to the Lok Sabha. NISAR overview. NISAR NASA ISRO synthetic aperture radar is designed for detailed Earth observations, capturing changes as small as 1 centimeter, and studying processes like glacier retreat, vegetation changes, and seismic activities. Initial launch plans. Originally scheduled for launch in the first half of this year, NISAR had been assembled in the United States and delivered to Bengaluru last year. Component issue. During further testing, a 12-meter antenna required improvements, necessitating the spacecraft's return to the United States for upgrades earlier this year. ISRO's optimism. Despite these setbacks, ISRO had hoped for a second-half launch, but the Lok Sabha response indicates the mission is unlikely to proceed this year. Other planned missions. ISRO plans to launch at least 6 missions in the next 5 months, including the first unmanned flight under the Gaganyaan program and the SpaceX mission for space docking experiments. Mission details. The SpaceX mission will demonstrate ISRO's capability to assemble satellite parts in space, laying the groundwork for a permanent space station by 2030. This mission is expected by November or December. TDS-01 mission. ISRO will launch the TDS-01 mission, a technology demonstration for an electronic propulsion system designed by the Institute for Plasma Research Gandhinagar, later this year. Additional launches. The navigation satellite NVS-02 for India's IRNSS constellation will be launched by a GSLV rocket. And ISRO plans a launch of the newly introduced Small Satellite Launch Vehicle (SSLV) rocket.